Hi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be discussing the PESTLE analysis. PESTLE analysis is a framework utilized by firms for evaluating the external environment they are operating in. Thorough planning and appropriate decision making aid in the launch of new product, service, and project planning. In the PESTLE framework, the P stands for political, the E stands for economic, the S stands for social, the T stands for technological, the L stands for legal, and the E stands for environmental. The example used throughout the presentation will be Coca Cola beverages in South Africa. Let's take a look at the PESTLE analysis in greater detail. The P stands for political factors, which is the government's influence on the economy or a specific industry. Political factors include government policy, war, civil unrest, and trade union policies and activities. Let's take a look at the examples. Government policy. Government imposed a tax on sugary drinks, so Coca Cola reduced sugar in their beverages by a quarter, which is 26%. Next, we look at riots. Riots and looting caused in South Africa 2021 resulted in suppliers halting delivery material, which led to businesses having low or no stock. Coca Cola monitored the degree of unrest and worked with security organizations and law enforcement, although they lost equipment like coolers placed at their customer premises. The first E in the framework stands for economic factors. This is the economy's performance is dependent on how a company's profitability is influenced in the long term. Economic variable comprises economic growth patterns, competitor behavior, raw material prices, and wage rates. Let's take a look at the examples. Economic growth patterns. Coca-Cola Beverage SA announced a launch of 100 million rand, approximately $7 million to the SME Supplier Development Fund. This leads to job creation and strengthening of the economy and crime reduction. Next, we look at raw material prices. In 2018, Coca-Cola imposed a 2.1 billion rand sugar tax. This rapidly accelerated costs of input materials. Raw material shortages, inflation, and greater demand lead to price rises. Let's take a look at the S. The S stands for social factors. Firstly, the emerging trends have to be recognized, as this is essential for a marketer to better comprehend consumer needs and wants. Social determinants as follows: demographic trends, lifestyle preferences, attitude to work, and skills availability. Let's take a look at the examples. Coca-Cola beverages are for all ages, all genders, all income levels in the variety of packaging sizes, and it caters for all religions, kosher and halal included. Next, we take a look at lifestyle preferences. Coca-Cola accommodates low and no sugar, organic tea, coconut water, juices, and all nutritional healthy beverages. Grab-on-the-go coffee for variant taste buds and easily accessible and available for working class and those in a hurry. Sporting or fitness, Coca-Cola offers Powerade. Next, we take a look at the T, which stands for technological factors. A market is advantageous or disadvantageous due to its innovations in technology. Technological factors include new products or new facilities, new materials, new production and processes, and innovation in transportation. Let's explore the examples. New products, new facilities. New products. Coca-Cola introduced recent launch of Cappy, a new 100% fruit juice brand in a variety of pack sizes and flavors. Next is new facilities. Coca-Cola endeavors the opening of their new digital delivery center in Johannesburg enabling intriguing opportunities to learn, grow, and to become technologically advanced towards constant innovative measures. Let's take a look at the L in the framework. This stands for legal factors. This includes both internal and external variables and the laws a business should abide by. These determinants are specific laws, international law, human rights, and local regulations. Let's explore the examples. Specific law. Broad-based Black economic empowerment permits Coca Cola's employees to own 15% of the SA company, previously being 5%. Next, we look at local regulations. Health Food Options Industry Initiative, HFO, led by the Consumer Goods Council of SA, is committed to promoting healthy eating habits. Let's take a look at the second E in the framework. This is ecological factors. They are affected by the surrounding environment and influence on the ecological aspects. Corporate social responsibility, which is CSR, becomes important here. Ecological variables comprise environmental concerns, reduction of toxic emissions, pollutions and spills, hazard prevention, and noise pollution. Let's take a look at the examples. Ecological concerns. Coca Cola's Replenish Initiative Africa Rain invested $1.275 million for 5 projects to eliminate thirsty, invasive alien plants from 5 core water catchment locations. Next, we look at pollution. Coca Cola strives to recycle a can or a bottle for each one it sells by 2030. Their planning of packaging designs aim to be 100% recyclable by 2025. Let's look at why is PESTLE analysis used. It's crucial for an organization to keep track of PESTLE analysis and development, so entrepreneurs regularly utilize business analysis tools for assisting them in making appropriate decisions for the organization. This framework reduces doubt and displays techniques on how to reduce it. Let's take a look at the PESTLE advantages. It is simple to understand and conduct. Organizations forecast future business threats and ways to minimize effects. Organizations are encouraged to develop external and strategic thinking. Let's explore the PESTLE disadvantages. Easy usage of inadequate data. PESTLE analysis is based on assumptions, hence risk of errors remain greater. Lastly, it is time-consuming and expensive collection of data. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for notifications of my future posts.